So I was gonna say, I think when he was a puppy, they just never corrected the stuff. People are scared to do that these days. And then we get a 3-year-old dog being mouthy and obnoxious, and we're gonna just throw him out the door because we don't want to correct him or fight with him, right? Good boy. Oh. Okay, so here's the hard part. And now all that kind of stuff kind of depends on the dog, right? You have to see how the dog takes to the pressure and to the restraint and whatnot. Because some dogs, hey man, you start doing that stuff, it's going to get even worse, right? But you just got to be serious and be able to get through it. Follow through, right? So let's see. We're going to stop right here. Oh my gosh. Should have done more heel drills. He's looking for the cat. Ready, place. Food. Uh-oh. Leash pressure. Look, he's not. Hey. We're gonna get what we asked for. There's pressure right here. Good. That's negative reinforcement. We're applying pressure, and as soon as he does what we want, it comes off. Break. He's looking for the cat. He's looking for this damn cat. What's going on, buddy? All right, so we're gonna stop here. Ideally, we would get a look. Ready, place. We're gonna move. Good. See, now there was no pressure on that one. Break. Let him get off. So I want to kind of focus right now on this place thing because that would have helped me, right? I didn't feel like we had done enough. Although with Tank, I did the same thing. I was like, no, dude, you got to go on it. And I just use the leash pressure inside before he got good at it. And he does really good with it. So he's distracted. Place. Yeah, you're a sweet guy. Now do your place. Good boy. Good boy. And break. Right, so inside you need a leash on. He gets, oh, I need to be doing off. That's what I need to be doing. He's trying to go that way. Right, we're gonna stop. Looking for the cat. Bud, place. The word, the motion. I don't care that he's not paying attention. It might be bad. Ideally, he looks at me. Good. Right, and then here we have. Let's see if he looks. Off. Pressure. Good. I usually do food with that. I feel like I don't want to with him for some reason. I should have done more heel drills and get him more paying attention, right? Let's see what he does right here. Place. Nope. Place. Good. Nope. Place. Here it is, bro. He's got one foot off. Hey, place. Off. Good. Right. So say he would have not come off of there, I would have added the pressure. Right. So ideally, he's looking at you. We tell him what we want him to do. We do the motion. So it's the verbal, the physical. The motion is. Let's go right here. What's your name? Right, just getting them to look takes forever, right? Hey, sit. Pressure. Pressure off. Good. You can feed it. Negative reinforcement. And nope. Sit. Now, here we see the food's messing it up, right? So the food messed him up. I shouldn't have gave him food, right? That hasn't happened before, though, right? And heel. I've given him food before, and he hasn't broken. Oh. What else? I don't know. Just I don't know. For a while there, like with Tank, I thought our place was really good, right? And then just bringing other dogs in, I used to have to manhandle his butt. We're gonna come over here. What's going on, friend? Hadn't seen you in a while.
Yeah, I've been trying to nurse this freaking foot, man. Finally, it's now starting to heal.
Oh, nice.
Get out and get a little exercise, but
there you go.
I can't walk because I can't put pressure on it. So my electric bike, I don't have to push hard.
Yeah.
And so man, it's just crazy. I just had to redo my diet again. I gained all this weight back.
Oh man, from being hurt.
Bad health problems, to where I get these diabetic foot ulcers, and so
right.
Now I'm trying to work it back.
Sit.
It's healing now. So
good. Good.
Oh,
how's the puppy?
Oh, he's doing good.
Good.
1 year old now.
Nice.
He's starting to get better. He never goes to the bathroom in the house, but we've been pretty lazy about leash disciplining or leash training, so I need to step up on training him better.
Yeah.
But he's pretty good. He'll go out the front door, runs in the yard, he'll come back.
Nice.
In the car,
good.
Most of the commands, except for he pulls because we never put much effort into training.
Yeah.
Because I don't walk.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping this foot's gonna heal up and I'm gonna make it to the state fair.
There you go. All right, buddy. Have a good one. And break. We're gonna do. What are we gonna do here? And everything has to be. I was about to go run. Ready, place. Correction, because he's going way out of the way, right? I don't mind the kind of going around, but he was going past. Good. And sit. Oh, I messed that up. Down. Good. Break. Down. Good. Break. Down. Ooh. Good. All right. Then we can do this one. Hey. Heel. Good job. That guy's exciting, right? That guy's exciting, right? Good job. Hip and hip and hip. Good job. Very nice. Oh, I lost him. Ready, place. There's people coming this way. Hey. Good. I think that's a bribe, dude. Except for we don't know it real well, right? It's only a bribe once you know it. Good boy. Break. Have we done enough of these? We need to do more like this. Ready, place. Good. Nope. Place. Right. So here, the hand motion and a little pressure. A little pressure right here. We got people. No. Good. Right. Make sure there's a few seconds in between him mouthing. I probably shouldn't have said good, although I got the place right. Good boy. Good boy. And break. Right? So there. Even when we were close, we did the place, right? He's jackholing around. I started applying pressure. He put his mouth on my hand. No. And he listened. And then he went into the place, right? Then we got him into it. All right, let's go do, that's enough of this crap, right? It's really not, but it needs to be. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're at 13 minutes. That's a long time for, I mean, dude, we used to do 30-minute sessions all the time. They're telling us these days only 10 minutes. But see, this whole time, he really hasn't been paying attention.